They said Camp Nou might be delayed again. But is that really true? New images just dropped, and things are looking interesting. From 39,000 new seats installed to a major update on the pitch, here's everything you need to know about the latest progress. First up, the good news. 39,000 seats are installed, and they're looking sharp in that classic Barça blue and maroon. The pitch is also coming along. Heating and cooling systems are in, and the grass is set to be laid in the next few months. But here's the catch. The third tier, still a work in progress. And that iconic roof. Don't expect to see it until summer 2026. The VIP section is taking shape, with lounges, private seating, and executive suites under construction. Barça plans to boost revenue with premium hospitality, and progress is visible with framework and interior finishes being installed. Over at the North Goal, there's a lot of movement. Workers have been installing steel reinforcements, and some concrete structures are already in place. This area was previously one of the slowest to develop, but now it looks like they're picking up the pace. The support beams and framework are almost ready for the next phase. Now, let's talk delays. Reports are swirling that some service providers have been told their work won't start until November 2025. That's pushing the timeline even further. But Barça isn't backing down. They've released new photos showing the progress, and they're still aiming to host at least one match this season. On the ground, things are buzzing. Workers are laying down concrete, prepping the pitch, and finishing up the exterior access points. But with so much still to do, the big question remains. Will Camp Nou be ready in time? One thing's for sure, this isn't just a stadium upgrade, it's a transformation. From the new seating arrangements to the state-of-the-art facilities, Camp Nou is shaping up to be a modern masterpiece. But until that final piece of the puzzle is in place, we'll be keeping a close eye on every update. So, where does that leave us? Camp Nou is making progress, but it's not quite ready for its grand return. Seats are in, the pitch is almost set, but the third tier and roof are still under construction. Delays are looming, but Barça is pushing hard to meet their goals. One thing's clear. When it's done, it's going to be worth the wait. Want to stay updated on every twist and turn of the Camp Nou rebuild? Hit subscribe and don't miss the next update.